I'm Dr. K. I'm the teacher of the Body and Behavior Concentration, and look forward to having you learn a little bit more about B&B.
We talk a lot about, B&B is all about biology, so we talk a lot about cells, cell function,
everything like that, like anything in your human body system.
We talk about sickle cell, the different kinds of like hemoglobin and how sickle cell affects people.
We talk a lot about ecology, natural evolution, genetics, stuff like that.
Some of the diseases that we kind of overarching focus on is sickle cell, right? Sickle cell disease and what happens, and applying the knowledge of proteins to how diseases are diagnosed today, like cancer.
Example projects are, we do a lot of hand-on labs. We use a lot of skills using micropipettes and microscopes. We do a lot of partner work and just a bunch of fun labs.
Well, in the beginning we did a little trace thing, and we made children. We made our children with the trace that we picked. And another one was using the blood levels on a crime scene.
I could bring up this one project that we did. It was real creative. We had to either make like a rap or a video or like a poem about signaling modeling. And we did that, and we recorded a video. That's one of the creative projects we also do. We also do like lots of labs, and it's more hands-on work, so you won't be seeing her just bored.
Definitely, we are more project-based. And even our assessments are project-based. So if we do a lab to learn about a certain skill, technique, or topic, or content, then usually students will write up their lab notebook, but then also maybe present their work. Some of our assessments aren't quite the traditional type of assessment, like a multiple choice test. They're more real-world application, right? So it's more of applying what you know to some project.
In B&B, I would definitely say a lot of collaborative thinking is key in here, because we're always in groups. Being able to work well with others is a big part of that.
Just, you have to pay attention and you have to listen a lot, because if you don't, you'll get lost in the directions.
You really need to be able to think outside the box and have problem-solving skills to figure out what the issue is and complete your lab.
Dr. K's teaching style, she's real nice, but she'll push you to do the best. She's really persistent, outgoing.
Dr. K, I feel like she's more like with the people. Like she fills out y'all vibe, and then how y'all vibe, she reacts off of that. So like if y'all's real sleepy in class, she'll try to do something interactive.
Very dedicated work when it comes to engaging with her students, and I always give Dr. K her 10s for that, because she works very hard to like listen to our feedback and evolve and change.
She's pretty like hands-off. Like it's a lot of like figure it out with your classmates and try to come to like your own answer. And if you need help, she'll help.
I do feel that I want to know what the students want to learn, and I can apply so many different things that we do here in B&B to your interest. You can learn that science, do that, and also I want the students to show what they know, because they usually know more than they think they know. And be active. I think the best way to learn science is by doing science.
So I would say more careers like in the health field, like if you want to be a nurse. I want to be a psychologist and an athletic trainer, so that's why I'm in B&B. So anything you want to be like helping people, like in the health field, nursing, doctor, that's what we use.
Epidemiologist, surgical tech, gene therapy, and public health doctor. Just learning about the body and genetics is a good part of B&B.
Really just any medical field. If you want to be like a science teacher, then
I feel like there's definitely a big emphasis on anything medical, but biology can also be used to take your career and maybe becoming a scientist and doing research and something like that. There's so many different paths that it's really not limited. Dr. K also brings in people who used to go here, people from different workplaces, maybe from Pitt, different pharmacies and medication places, to show us what these careers are like.
some careers that we talk about. We've had many students in my 16 years here at SciTech who've gone into nursing, and even a few students who are in medical school, and physical therapists, X-ray technology, so anything in the biomedical field. Try to expose the students to different careers. I bring in guests, and we try to do as many field trips as possible. If you have any questions about B&B, come on by and ask.